Hello Techzone students, how are you all? In this video, we are going to study how to install Jupyter Notebook. We'll see how to install Jupyter Notebook. Okay, before that, let us just go through few of the features. See, Jupyter is actually a loose acronym of Julia, Python and R. So if you combine Julia, Python and R, it becomes Jupyter. Okay. So but today it supports many languages, around 40 plus languages. So Jupyter Notebook will support around 40 plus languages, programming languages. Okay. And the code you write in Jupyter Notebook can be shared with others using email, Dropbox, GitHub, okay, or any other sharing platform. And the code you write in Jupyter Notebook can produce rich interactive outputs. It can have HTML tags, we can have images, we can have graphs, we can have videos as well. Okay. One thing I did not mention here is Jupyter Notebook is very user friendly. It is very easy to use. Okay. So I have given a link here. Click on this link, and this link will also be provided in the description below. Okay, so we'll learn how to install Jupyter Notebook. Now you must be wondering, we are installing Jupyter Notebook, but why do we have anaconda.com here? Okay, so see, Anaconda is actually a platform. Okay, it's a framework in which we can use Jupyter Notebook. Along with Jupyter Notebook, we can use other things as well, which we'll see when we install Anaconda. Okay. So all you have to do is go to your Google, type in Anaconda download. Okay. Click on the first link, Anaconda distribution. Okay. See here. Click on this link, download button. So it will start downloading. Alright. So I have installed Anaconda. So you will see an icon like this. Let us start installation by clicking on that. Welcome to Anaconda. Okay, so click on next. Installation is pretty easy. Click on I agree, and just me all users, I'll just use. Okay, see here, you can change the path. I'm just keeping it default. Click on the next. Destination folder contains one space. Okay, please consider. Okay. Add Anaconda path, register. Okay, so register is checked. I'll click on install. It will start installing. So our installation is done. So we'll click on next button now. Okay, so see, working with Python and Jupyter is a breeze in data shell. So I'll click on next and click on finish. We'll go to search and type Anaconda. So see here, it is showing Anaconda Navigator, right? So this is what we want. Click on that. It will start Anaconda. So you will see an interface like this. So in the process of installing Jupyter Notebook, we have also installed other IDEs, okay, like RStudio, PyCharm, Community, Spider and all. Okay, so we need this Jupyter Notebook, right? So what we can do is we can click on this launch button. It will launch Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook will open in our default browser. So this is our Jupyter Notebook. When you are installing it for the first time, you might not see all these folders. Okay. So what we need to do now is to create a new Jupyter Notebook. Click on this new button. Click on Python 3. Okay, why do we have Python 3 here? Because we are using Python 3 version. Okay, click on that. A new Jupyter Notebook will be presented to us. This is our new Jupyter Notebook. We can click on this Untitled, double click and change the name. Let us say test. Let me rename that. Okay. So I'll just enlarge. I'll just zoom this part. Okay. Alright. So this rectangular part is called as cell. So in a cell we write Python code, like let us say print Techzone. Okay, to execute this cell, all we can do is click on run or shift enter or control enter. Okay, if I press control enter, see here the output is Techzone. Alright. So this is how you will install Jupyter Notebook. There is another way of starting Jupyter Notebook. All you have to do is click on the search button, okay, and then type Jupyter Notebook. So see here it is showing the best match. Click on Jupyter Notebook and that will also start Jupyter Notebook. So this is another method of starting Jupyter Notebook. Thank you so much for watching the video.